What's up, guys? My name is Ashton and I'm the sales rep here at First Western Title in Colleyville. I'm starting a new segment called Ask Ashton, and it's just questions that I get quite frequently that I'm going to share with you in just little video tutorials. So today I had someone ask me how to change a PDF over to a JPEG so that they could put their consumer protection notice and their IABS on their Facebook page. And so I'm going to show you how to do that now. So all you need to do is go to Google, type in PDF to JPEG converter. From there, I always use the first link and I upload my PDF. I'm uploading my consumer protection notice, and I'm going to convert that over to a JPEG and then simply download the file. So now that I have that, I can add that to my featured photos on my personal profile, or I can add that to my business page as a pinned post. Those are also things that I'm going to be covering in our Trek Advertising Rules class next week on Thursday, July 12th. So let me know if you want to come to that in the comments below. Otherwise, let me know what questions you have that I can feature in my next Ask Ashton segment. Thanks.